What's up guys? It's me and my name is Earl. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng smartphone from Tecno. So yun guys, this smartphone is very affordable. Eto na talaga yung para sa inyo. So yun guys, eto yung inaabang-abangan ng mga karamihan kasi super mura ng smartphone na to, which is the Pova Neo 2. Ayun guys, 6499 for as low as 6499. Meron ka ng smartphone na malupet. So yun guys, ano nga bang pwede nating i-expect sa phone na to? Tara, explore natin. Let's go. So yun guys, nabili natin itong smartphone na to for as low as 6499 sa mismong flagship store ng Tecno sa Lazada. Nakuha natin siya ng mas mababa dahil sale, 11/11 sale. And yet ang original price niya is nasa 6699. So yun guys, murang-mura na kasi panlaban na yung specs niya, panlaban na rin sa mga mid-range phones. So yun guys, samahan niyo ako yan, box to. And tingnan natin kung ano talagang meron sa loob nito. Let's go.
They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show where she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they could tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it. Colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail. Tell them to point out who said it, they run it. Bitch, I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell, that shit for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I need it from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging their darts, make 'em reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Dre with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm clutch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I spit shit from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like a surgery. She be curving you just to flirt with me. Toolie tucked off, but the jewels out. I just in a home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen says she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. Niggas really all shy with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Hey. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show where she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they could tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it. Colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail. Tell them to point out who said it, they run it. Bitch, I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell, that shit for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I need it from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging their darts, make 'em reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Dre with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm clutch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I spit shit from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like a surgery. She be curving you just to flirt with me. Toolie tucked off, but the jewels out. I just in a home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen says she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on. applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. Niggas really all shine with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Hey. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show and she dipping them nails.
Yo, what's up guys? So tapos na nating ma-unbox kanina guys. So nakita na naman guys kung ano gaano ka legit si seller at as in yung binigay niya sa atin na phone is hindi bato. Diba? Yun guys. So masasabi ko lang yung salamat siya. So yun guys, while nag-unbox tayo, wala naman tayong nakikitang issue at saka problema sa product, sa item na dineliver. As in, okay, goods, lahat. And chinek ko yung phone, legit din. So yung masasabi ko sa phone na to guys, grabe. Kung ano yung pwede nyong i-expect sa mga mid-range phone, dapat i-expect nyo rin dito guys. So yun guys, so balikan natin yung specs nya guys. Meron siyang glass front. Ito, yung harap niya is glass. Meron siyang plastic frame. And syempre, plastic din yung likod niya. Meron rin siyang dual SIM na nano. So ayun, yung ano niya naman is nasa 6.73 inches by 3.6 inches. Android 12 na rin siya guys. Android 12. So eto pa guys. Eto pa, 6 GB RAM and 128 ROM. Isipin nyo guys, for as low as 6,499, may ganito ka ng Android phone. Eto pa guys, hindi lang 6 GB RAM, 6 GB plus 5 GB ang in-offer sa'yo ni Tecno. Binigyan ka niya ng karagdagang 5 GB para sa phone na to, which is magiging 11 GB na rin yung RAM mo. Saan ka pa, di ba? Ganun guys. So magiging 11 GB RAM and 128 ROM, which is expandable pa to kasi meron siyang memory slot for external storage device. So ganun guys, dual camera na rin siya na may autofocus, which is 16 megapixel na rin, na may wide angle shots, and dual LED flash, may HDR and panorama. So saan pa tayo guys? Sa video niya guys, well, nasa 1080 na rin siya guys. 1080 na rin. And 30 FPS. Ganun. Kung hindi naman tamang chill lang naman kayo, video, picture, pwede na to guys. Pwede na to. Pero itatry ko to for cinematography mamaya. Bibigyan natin to ng review for cinematography. So ayan, papakita ko rin sa inyo later. So ayun guys, aside from back camera, yung main camera niya, meron din siyang selfie cam, which is 8 megapixel. USB Type-C na rin siya guys, and meron din siyang earphone jack for your headset. And so ayun, sa battery naman guys, grabe, halimaw to. Nakakalula yung specs niya guys for this price. Super nakaka-amaze. Yung mga ganitong specs, mahirap bilhin kasi matataas na yung presyo eh. Pero si Tecno gumawa ng phone para sa mga kaya lang bumili ng budget phone. Grabe yung ginawa ni Tecno guys. Nag-offer siya ng napakagandang product. So yun guys, yung battery niya is 7,000 mAh. Diba? Matagal nga lang pag nag-charge ka kasi 7,000 mAh. Expect mo na yung katagalan ng charging niya. Hindi ko pa siya na-try for charging, pero itatry natin siya. So yun guys, this time papakita ko sa inyo kung maganda ba tong camera niya for cinematography. Check nyo to. So ayun guys, nakita naman guys, 'di ba? Nakita nyo guys kung gaano ka-smooth. Maganda pa rin guys. Tsaka guys, mostly sa mga smartphone users, hinahabol nila ngayon is yung matataas na yung battery, milliampere, matataas na rin yung specs, like mataas yung RAM, mataas yung ROM. Ganun na, mostly ganun na eh. So eto na, binigyan na ni Tecno sa atin. So ayun guys, bumili na kayo hanggat meron pa to. Yan, available to sa Lazada at saka sa website nila mismo. Click nyo lang yung link below. Ayan, yun din kayo bumili. Yan kayo kumuha. So, ano pa bang hinihintay natin? See you on my next video. Sige na guys.